Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we talk about the test and its preparation through which we can get the best result and success in school examination, in college examination, in university examination, for job interview. But dear brothers and sisters, do you know that even after this life there is another examination which is the biggest and most important? There is a test and in which success is real success and failure is eternal failure, and that is the test of our afterlife of grave and hereafter. Anyway, today we talk about the test and its preparation. First of all, get the official and authentic information about the date of examination and the subject and course included in it, and write it down by yourself. Now check about each subject and note down which are those topics which you don't know, or if you have any weakness in those topics, make a list of them and work on those topics. Contact a teacher or study with one of your classmates and understand the topics well. Here is an important point. To avoid this problem when a subject is being taught in class etc., then try to learn and understand it. Well, at that moment, if you want to understand something, then ask your teacher to clarify it. In this way, your topic list will be very short. If you are having difficulty in memorization, then there is a dua for you. The dua words are Allahumma yassir li hadhihi al-warakata as-sa'ba. Oh Allah, make this difficult paper easy for me. Before memorizing, read that dua. Anyway, once you have covered these topics, now start revising all the topics of every subject. And the way to do is that, first of all, you should see that how much time to prepare for the exam you have. Now set a target according to how many days are left, that I will revise topics of that subject daily, and write this target in the form of a timetable, and then follow this timetable for revision. Things to do during revision: practice what you're going to memorize, and the best way to memorize is to first memorize it orally and then revise it in writing. In this way your memorized part will become strong and you will get practice for writing it in the examination from the very beginning. If you are studying, if you want to understand and remember the topic in a better way, then explain and teach it to someone else to prepare for the exam. Choose a place where you can study with complete attention and concentration without any kind of disturbance. Otherwise, if the topic is big, then divide it into parts. In this way, even long topics will be covered easily. If you understand the question in the exam, well, then be able to write their answers in the best way. Then for that, you will find it very beneficial by solving past paper. During revision on the days when you're preparing for the exam, ensure proper sleep and keep your diet healthy so that you can study well both physically and mentally, especially before the exam. Do not stay up late at night, otherwise you feel tired and sleepy during the exam in the morning, and your all hard work will go in vain. Complete all your stationery and keep it ready a day before the exam, and also check the documents required in the examination hall. Keep the pass safely so that you do not face any problem on the exam day. In this end, I would advise you not to take any kind of stress on your mind. Remain completely relaxed and focus on your preparation. Instead of paying attention to unnecessary thoughts or random thoughts, don't worry about that. When it comes to your efforts, never leave any subject unturned and leave the rest in the hands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Before starting the paper and interview, start with Bismillah to gain the barakah and read that dua. Allahumma la sahlan illa ma ja'altahu sahlan wa anta taj'al al-hazana idha shi'ta sahla. Oh Allah, nothing is easy. Expect what you have made easy. If you wish, you can make the difficult easy. Inshallah, the result of your success will be visible to you soon.